Wala nang pagkakatiwalaan.
Hindi, tsaka tignan mo yung baka biglang may lumabas na something na
May tubig na to.
Yung karakter na yung kay Arel na lang medyo ayos na.
We need a plan.
Iniwan nga ako nito eh. Iniwan siya.
Good plan.
Sergeant K, what do we got left?
So we got
Vampire
8
na
clips
lang
of 556 FMJ, 340 mil high X rounds, a couple of 9 mil pistols, 4 clips between them. We'll make that work. Huh.
Wild fast.
Plus 2 Foster rounds. And 1 block of composition C4.
What about the UV lamp?
Took a knock, but I can fix it. Just need a minute.
Ayos yung
All in
pag-fix
is
na,
not enough.
inaalog-alog niya lang.
We also got this.
It's old, unpredictable.
We work with what we got.
Our fuses are shot, but we can use the C4 to detonate them. Let's just hope they still pack a punch.
The vampires come from those cocoons. You saw how many there were in that vault? There could be thousands in there.
Should we blow them up? Burn as many of those motherfuckers as we can and head for the surface. What do you think, Sergeant?
Hoorah.
I'm not gonna allow him to carry a pistol.
We are way past that point now, ma'am. We stand together as one.
Oh,
Still got that med kit. That'd be a good time to use it.
Yay! Medkit ka
Ba,
rin
naglib
na
ka?
nakuha mo.
naglib ka?
It's like a bitch. I gotta stop the bleed.
Wala tuloy.
Looks like our explorer friends were here
Ano
too.
ka nalib mo?
Gago nag-bearing update.
Search this place before we move out.
Oh, yung medkit na napulot mo kanina. Ginamit na.
Hanggang kailan lib?
Got it.
1 week? Gagi, di ka pa pala nakapagpaalam eh.
Hindi, ikaw na pala.
Okay, hindi
Hindi ko sabi
Yung
mo muna
ikot
yan,
yung mouse.
I-escape mo, escape. Tapos gawin yan, tsaka mo i-continue. Ayan.
How confident are you that they'll work?
They'll work. This thing,
Ayaw, barilin mo yan.
you, me,
Barilin mo
and
yan.
Forget it, Nick.
Peter nito.
I'm just
But,
saying.
Don't.
yun.
Keep your head clear of everything with the
Dapat
task
di na
ahead.
mabubuhay yan.
It's the
Tatlo
only way
tayo.
we'll live.
Walong kailangan dito. So, tayo lahat. Kaya si Dream.
Tama lang. Oh, yun. Punta lang
Ayan yung music ko.
Ay,
Kung di ako maglilib, akala mo sa akin. Ikaw.
May premonition.
Pogi yung lighter ulit
Sino yun? Yung nakasalamin? Ha? Ay, sino yun?
Little Hope.
Sino yun?
Little Hope. Ay, hindi. Yung isang game. Gago.
Kasi dati ba yan?
Ibang game.
Apocalypse yan.
Kala ko yung nurse yun.
Devil in Me. Na ano. Isang game. Yung pinaka-latest nila sa atin.
Wag mo na ata yung gitna kasi.
Any juicy gossip?
It belonged to Mary Hodgson. Of all the topics she wrote about, one thing stood out more than the rest.
What's that?
She
Ay,
wanted to go
dalawa lang
home.
kami. Among Us, dalawa. Baliw ka ba?
Mary's not the only one. Is she?
Wala dahil marami yun.
Pipindutin yan.
Pindutin. Wag.
Papanood ko lang. Pang marami yun eh. Maganda yun, marami.
Bago yan ah.
Wala naman nakikita.
Ayun.
Yun.
Nag-load na.
Ang mabampira ka sana.
Hot victims. Ano daw?
Parasite.
Host dead. Parasite takeover.
Parasite. Host dead. Parasite. So, ibig sabihin possible ganyan mangyari kay Rachel mamaya.
Pag
Oo,
namatay
tama
siya.
yan. Tama lang yan. Bagay na bagay.
Kapal.
May kwento dyan. Sige po.
The
bones of this temple are drenched in blood. We have set foot on an uncharted shore and roused something ancient and wicked. A blasphemy that comes in indescribable shapes and forms. For eons we lived as children in this world, unaware of the horrors that slumber beneath our feet. Now we have blindly thrown open the gates to madness. I fear being taken, but I must do what I must. We must seal this place for eternity, for all mankind. Mary, I'm sorry.
Nagpaalam siya.
Nakapasok ko ano? Well, mamaya.
Wala.
Yeah, nice. Laro tayo deadlock. Gusto mo?
Tingnan ko mga. Maliit
Okay.
lang kaya.
Oo, maliit lang. Nasa
Made it out alive.
30 GB lang yata. 20 GB.
What I wouldn't give to see daylight again.
Daylight and a cold one.
Napatay mo yan.
That whole mess with you and Nick. It's out in the open, right?
What if si Gold Chick ang bago niyan, Joe?
It's for the best.
Di man lang
Regardless of
siya
everything else.
mag-amos ganun.
Oo
Secrets
nga,
keep you safe.
daming ano.
Oo.
Natuyunan,
Napaka-
nagkit na niyan.
Napakamalibag.
Actually, feeling ko libag na yun.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano, libag ng tugo.
Punas man lang niya yun sa mukha niyo.
Gagi, wala
What
na
was in it for
makikita.
him?
Hindi na print,
Is
ayun
it really all about these
Ayun na.
tablets?
na-late yung print.
Kinulang sa ink.
Ayoko kausapin.
Ba't puti
Usapin mo.
Here, let me help you.
Na-stress na gago.
It's fine.
Tumatanda na si
I've heard it many
Gagi.
times since.
Pumuti na yung
Patay mo na.
buhok eh.
Sige, sige yan.
Sorry.
Rachel, wait. I'm sorry. You always were better at changing this thing than I was.
If you need me, I'm here for you.
Ay, gago. Ito pala yung kahapon nakitang patay dito.
Saan?
You.
Dito sa amin. Kasi dito lang sa barangay namin. Lapit lang, tangin na yan.
Ano
Oo,
daw
di-
nangyari?
May tinapong bangkay na nakasako sa sa irigasyon. Kahapon.
Ano daw nangyari?
Kakasabi ko pala, sasabi mo kung ano nangyari.
Ayun, nangyari.
Okay namatay.
Tinapon nga sa sako.
Pucha, kinamatay
Ay, ay,
namin
okay.
ako.
Nilagay sa sako, tapos tinapon sa irigasyon pala, my bad.
There's meaning here.
Oh,
It's a language formed from chords,
marami.
musical scales,
Hmm,
sonics.
ganun ako kaangas.
Mary was a pianist. She deciphered
Ano eh,
it.
multiplier.
She thought these carvings represented the stars. Do you see? It's Cetus, the whale.
We're a long way from the night sky.
It's a mystery. According to the journal, there was only one scale of sound in the device. But Mary was studying it alone. I think there may be another. I'm going to need your help.
What can I do?
This console is too big to operate single-handedly.
Ay, nako.
I-hold mo, pindutin mo, tsaka mo igalaw yung mouse pitch. Ayan.
Ba't papunta?
Igalaw mo, tsaka mo bitawan.
Oh,
Ayun.
mga tapal ko itong
Ayan. Igagalaw mo, bibitawan mo kung saan mo itadaan. Okay. I-hold mo yung mouse, tsaka mo bitawan pag kung nasan yung kamay. Ayan, bitawan mo. Ayun.
that something? Mary believed that these creatures were once peaceful. Her language was one of music.
Buti ang dami nila dun eh.
How could they not feel emotion? Then a tragedy fell upon them. Their great empire collapsed. Their music fell silent, and they turned on each other.
Makaisipan kaya yan.
What happened? Sickness and madness? What turned them from architects into killers? Whatever it is, it twisted them. Now they're creatures of hate. Animals. Dead things. No one left to kill. So they slept. And they waited. They waited for us.
Shit! Rachel!
Affected si Gagi.
Rachel?
Rachel! Rachel! Rachel!
Rachel. Rachel, look at me.
She has it. It's inside her.
Kill Rachel.
Kaya pa. Kaya pa. Lumalaban.
Feeling ko isa sa
Ay,
biggest
spaceship nga, gago, spaceship.
So,
Nag-crash landing sa sa Earth.
Montable.
Kaya nga, mukhang tayong po. Mukhang tayong malaki, gago.
alam ni Mox. Familiar naman.
Agi, magsusuicide siya. Patay yung
Sorry.
karakter ni Peach.
Hindi yun.
Gagi, di ko matusok.
Oh, no.
Hala, patay talaga si Rachel.
Hindi ako yan, ha?
Gagi yun.
He's dead.
Wala na ako dyan.
Ano ba yun? Yun ba talaga yung dapat gagawin?
Baka feeling ko kasi ayaw niya mag-turn sa kaya siguro.
Pamove na sila.
Romance talaga sila eh.
Para wala alam nangyari.
Yeah.
Kaya nga eh.
Sila.
O, so ikaw, para nandito pa rin si Peach, pagamitin mo sa kanya yung kay Yidi, kay si Eric. Oo, si Eric.
Gagi, papapatay niya yun eh.
Those mounds are made of cocoons.
Walang pahawak kayo dyan.
Sabotahe.
Tatlo yung karakter na ginagamit ko. Hanip niya, si Nick, si Jason, si Eric. Pukoy nang inang yan.
Kaya mo yung yung sa'yo, bigay mo yung sa'yo, yung isa, bigay mo yung
Ba't ayaw mo yung sa akin? Akin din.
Yoko, sa'yo na si Eric.
Si Jason, bigay mo si Jason.
Hindi, asahan si Jason. Ayoko, asahan si Jason. Si Nick na lang, si Nick.
We gotta move. Quick.
Total, magyawa naman yun.
Hindi, si Eric. Si Eric yung gusto ko.
Oo, di si Eric.
We've been hit hard tonight. We lost brothers.
Wala, di counted yan.
We lost
Di
Rachel.
counted. Di counted ang
But
full.
now, it's time to get some
Wala,
payback.
patay na.
We plant charges on as many of those clusters as
Wala na,
possible and
tapos na
then
yan, patay
detonate
na
them
yan. Dalawa na
remotely.
lang dapat yan.
Second those charges go off, we haul ass to the exit. If luck is on our side, we'll do more than fry a few vampires. Create a diversion. Shalane, you ready?
I am.
Okay then. Let's
Oh,
get loose,
BBFF
kids.
na sila.
Okay.
Pwede nga natin i-search yun eh kung
Who's going to
paano
place the
if
dynamite?
hindi niya sinaksak, anong mangyayari.
Alright, fuck it. I'll do
Oo
it.
nga, kasi sinasaksak mo kasi agad.
Crazy. We'll do it together.
Nakita mo
The more
lang
of us
yung
down there,
crosshair.
the more chances we'll get.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya
Dick's
papatulan
dead
naman
here.
eh.
If I don't
Oh,
make
dapat
it,
di mo sinaksak.
if I don't
Pwede mo
blame
yata
her.
hindi saksakin yun eh.
I want you to blow
Akala ko
those
dapat
charges.
may toto.
Just don't go
Eh,
getting
sinaksak mo
cigarettes.
eh. Tinutok mo eh.
Every step of the way, you keep in radio contact.
Wala.
And if there's no radio
Tapos
signal,
yung station mo sa
Then I'll
akin.
pop a flare.
Sa
See it
idal
go
pa.
up. You hit that detonator.
Be quick. and be safe.
Gagi ah.
Hear me, buddy?
Grabe namang ano to, pep talk to. Mukhang action na to ah.
Yeah.
Oh, EVF na daw sila oh.
Wala na kaming pake kay Rachel. Okay lang mamatay.
Diba?
Grabe no. Namatay na nakarang din tapos okay, move on.
Parang wala lang.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang ano ata, wag kang aapak sa ano,
Ay gagi,
telepono.
ako yung mag-ano.
Ikaw. Ikaw, Rel. Ay no, yung ano, ano mo yun. Kumikinang.
Tupak. Uy. Ano meron?
Asa na siya?
Ano kang
Huwag mo pindutin.
Ano meron?
scan the area lang.
Andan. Andan?
is that one of the...
Uy, gago, ano pinag-ginawa mo? Putang, ina ako na.
Ayun,
Fuck!
nakita mo ba yun? Ate,
First dynamite is down. Over.
Gagi, wala nakakita.
All clear from up here, buddy.
Which way? Left or right?
Wala,
Ano?
ba?
We're not seeing any movement. It's your
Left.
call.
Ay, left. Right. Nasa right. Nasa right yung kalaban. Eh, sabi, it's one of them, di ba? Nasa ano? Dito. Yung mouse, wala! Oh, inang yan. Alang mouse, gago.
Yeah,
Red.
galawin mo lang.
Ala nga.
Nakatulog yung...
Ala.
Oh.
Ayo. Takin na, napakalayo, gago.
Going left.
Boom!
Go, dito.
Gagi, lumipat yung sa kabilang monitor saka extended camera.
Kaya pala eh. Napakalayo ng mouse mo eh.
Uy, gago. Ulul yan.
Mukhang may fight.
Gagi ka.
Hindi ata yung pili mo. Dapat pareho ka.
Hindi, tama lang to.
Not sa.
Ako, yun na naman. Dance. Pug.
May pumindot! May pumindot!
Hindi yan.
May pumindot! May pumindot! Gago na yan! May pumindot! May pumindot ang puta! Gagi na yan! Nakita ko yun!
Tipit yan, number. Tipit yan.
Hindi!
Ano tong
Hindi!
isa ah.
Hindi! Eh, alam mo nangyari? Hindi ko pa pinipindot. Biglang nag-red ng puta.
Oo, tipit yan, tipit.
May pumindot
Ano,
na
higit
ano
ko
na yun.
dyan? Bakit ako?
Uy, gago. Hands off sa mouse. Kumako pa. Lige.
Wala
Pag
talaga ako ah.
May sumasabotahe sa karakter. Wait naman. May pumindot
Bibin
ka.
lang tong isa eh.
Gago na yan. Hindi ko naman pinipindot. Biglang nagpula yung hype na yan.
O ikaw talaga dyan, ano yun po eh.
Pwede hinawa ka yung mouse.
Bibinting mo.
Tipit yan, tipit.
Wala talaga akong pinagawa dito. Anuhin ko kayo ah.
Look at that,
Patay
man.
na nga yung cat.
It's the mother.
Piling ko si Oh.
Ano yun?
Oh,
Oh,
Hindi siya makapag-
bibintang pa to.
Hindi niya alam kung ano
Wait lang.
yung linya.
Advance or retreat. Pag kasi advance, highly chance sa mamamatay si Nick. Pag retreat, 50-50. High risk, high reward.
Mo naman, ba't may ganyan?
Trip na.
Alright.
Dapat pipili na agad. Dapat di ka nagpo-pause.
Hindi. Wala.
Ayun.
Wala.
May negative ano.
Gago lumilipad, boy! Ay, bobo! Putang ina niya.
Tema ko talaga yan.
Hindi. Papit, nigga.
Push the button!
Boom.
Pogi.
Gago, hindi namatay.
Hindi, at least madidelay, di ba?
Gago, kamukha ni Piccolo.
Teka, inahabol ka na.
Kaya nga, si Piccolo gago, mahabol sa atin si Piccolo gago.
Pero pa kayo.
Siyempre. Hindi, sumabog, nag-chain react. Buti, nag-retreat tayo. Tangin ng UV light. Yan ang UV light na walang pwede.
Ubusan ng battery.
Kung ano pa yung effective na baril, yun yung laging nasisira. Po,
Hindi
tangin na.
Kiwalay pa sila.
Dunkin Donuts.
Where the fuck is
Parang
Celine?
kay Bitch yan.
Hindi, akin to. Sa kanya si Eric.
Eric yung akin,
Feels
no?
like this whole damn place is coming down.
Gagi, sa'yo na yun.
Celine,
Huwag yung
He's
umuwi
still
pa.
alive.
Papapatay mo
Yan. Yan. Walang sasabotahin na karakter.
Wala, hindi naman ako traitor. Grabe to siya. Hindi na ako safe sa'yo.
Ayaw niya na ako. Wala akong
Naiwan
ginawa.
sa list.
Ligtas natin yan.
Sense na yan pag
What's there to think about?
pinakasunod sa
We go back down there. We die with them.
He's a dead man. We need to go.
Semper Fi.
No! Ano shit, tangina mo.
Kapapili kami.
No.
Save
What?
Salim. For retreat.
That man is not one of us.
Ayun, no?
Gagi, punti na nga
Napaka-selfish
lang.
na, oo. Dapat
You're
na
wrong.
kain yan eh.
Celine is one of us now. Marines don't leave their own behind.
Yun na yung
You hear me,
sense
Celine?
na ano, yun na yung may sense na decision.
Tell my son I did everything I could.
Tell him yourself. I'm coming to get you.
Yan. Oo, bahala.
Best
Ako
value.
bahala. Ako bahala. Si Jason kawawa.
Wala na si Rel pag yung finish yan. Ayan na yun.
Sabi ko sa kanya na I got him. I got yung back niya. O, ikaw na rin. Ikaw na. Oh, bili. Oh, kamot check mo na, check. Kamutin mo na lahat bago mag-play.
Gagi, wala naman nagkakamot.
Ay, ako lang ba?
Sabi po, mouse off. Mouse off.
Uy, yung mga
Oo.
pindutan nyo, napakalamig. Ay,
Sa ulo.
ulo.
Oo, sa ulo. Kilay ang puta. May kilay ba halima o hayop na yan?
Mouse check.
Oo. Ay, okay na. Yun o.
Mas lobo pa daw.
Yun o.
Wala, sa likod!
Hayop na
Oh,
yun.
bili, ito yung
Ayun.
premonition. Ito yung premonition, Niga. Ito yung premonition. Galingan mo. Nice one.
Seriously, just throw that thing, man.
Salim.
Gamit na gamit ang tubo.
Let's get out of here.
Kaya nga eh. Ayun eh, putang ina ni Piccolo. Alip ni... Uy, gago, may baston si Piccolo. Hanip na...
Then my son.
Gagi yan. Hala, man.
Oh, gago! Sino ba? Sino?
Akin na.
What a nice move.
Nice po yun, grabe.
What a nice move, man.
Inulap. Buhay na buhay.
Pwede pa mo sila sa lagin. Tula ko pala.
Sacrifice agad eh.
Oo, ready pa mo din ako mag-sacrifice.
Ako na naman. Kailang. Check. Mouse check.
May option pala yun. Option pala yung manulap.
Malola ka po.
Kung pelikula yun, tinanong. Gamit yung
Oh man, that was
Oh, gago.
unfucking
Susaluhin yun.
Those things were all over us. Me and Celine busted through them like it was the last down of the goddamn Super Bowl.
Apat na lang sila mabubuhay.
Listen up.
Yeah.
I'm not out of the woods yet. What I see in front of me, you're the best.
Mas dali.
Fuck that. Best of the best. We will
Basta
get home.
Stick to the heart. Hura.
Hulog niyo yun si Eric. Ayan, si
Hura?
Eric.
Hura. Ayan, hura daw. Saya ni gago.
Timitan yung tawa.
Ang best na wala nung ngiti eh.
Uy, putang ina, dami ko namang karakter kasi hayop na yan. Wait. Mouse check ulit. Mamaya may pipindot dyan. Sasabutayan.
Nakapo na yan.
Si YD talaga yung sasabotahe dyan.
Kaya nga, si ED yun eh.
Wala namang mouse dito sa bahay.
Kunin mo. Ano yun? Tangina ni Eric. Tingin-tingin.
Sila naman ang gumawa.
You see some?
Tapos na yung dalawa eh.
Kaya...
Gago!
Uy, putang ina si ano? Si Clarice. Si Peach. Gago si... Clarice.
Ay, nako.
Sa'yo lahat yan.
Oh, ikaw. Hindi, si Peach na. Ikaw na Peach.
Yan, ayusin mo ah.
Mouse check.
Oh, ano, mouse check.
Ala, wala! Ay, nakadag!
Mouse check mo muna. Mouse check. I-mouse check mo muna. Okay, continue mo. Ano? Dapat mouse check mo muna. Dapat mouse check nyo muna kasi.
Ulo, gagi, nakagat si ano.
Oh my god, dapat di ko na binigay kay Peach.
Yan, kasalaan niya.
Gagi, nakagat siya.
Yan, kasi sinasama mo ha. Yan ang
Ulit.
pala.
Hindi talaga.
Gago, wala ba ulit to?
Ulit yan, uy.
Ang inang iyan.
Gagi, nakaharmay.
Kala niya ha.
Gago.
Gagi naman yun.
Baliw.
Bakit siya yung namatay? Dapat yung...
Papapatay mo pa kasi. Yan.
Hindi talaga.
Shit, nawala yung kaya nila.
Bulok mo naman.
Ay, nako.
Dapat kasi pag bago ka mag-play, ima-mouse check mo muna ng ganyan, no? Tignan mo sa mouse mo.
Malay ko ba hindi gumagana?
Yung gumagana kanina, yung pinabottom mash na, gumagalaw eh.
Hindi, ikaw na rin.
Gumagalaw nga, may recording ako makikita mo.
Lumbay siya, nalumbay ni Max eh.
Kaya nga, ito na, binubuhay ko si Nick, kaya hayop na yan.
Yung pinapapatay si Eric ba yun?
Tanginang yan, malas.
Ba't yun na? Bisit.
Allahu Akbar! Look!
Alam ko.
There's a way out!
Allahu Akbar.
Pinato niya yung ano kaya. Asar sa subject ko. Tapos. Binigay pa sa...
Diba?
Ay nang yan, binubuhay ko si ano eh, hanip na yan, pinapatay.
Hoy, hindi ko talaga yun sinasadya. Sapakin kita dyan eh.
Ayun eh.
Gago, namatay si...
Matay niya pa.
Kaya mo, yung magjowa na namatay. Okay lang.
Sige lang.
Si ano, si Rachel tsaka si ano, si Nick. Oo.
Kakalungkot. Dapat yung Eric yung namatay dun.
Peter Slemmer.
Ako, sinadya niya. Halatang-halata, sinadya niya.
Ay, hindi ko talaga sinasadya yun.
Kaya nga.
Hindi ko talaga sinasadya yun.
We're alive.
Ganun talaga.
We're
Ganun talaga,
fucking
guys.
alive.
Bida eh. Di pwede mamatay yung bida.
Dropkick to Coyote 2. Radio check. Over.
This is Rhino 1-5. Solid copy. We're 5 minutes from your position. Where the hell have you guys been? Over.
Gago, tago niya yung isa.
Iya, kasama na yan, Marines na yan eh.
Repeat the enemy.
Look around you. So quiet.
You think those shepherds are still around here? I could use a cold one.
I must return home to my
Buhay
boy.
na buhay oh.
He must be worried about me.
Gagi yung nurse na yun. Akala ko na...
Gago, nag full moon. Yan na maglalabas yun yung vampira.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Uh-oh.
Naglalag yung game, Gagi.
Solar eclipse.
Naglalag yung game. Ikaw rin yung goal lumaro. Naglalag yung ano, naglalag.
Sa akin,
Nagpa-fla.
Sa akin.
Oh, di, pero ano, sasabihin ko sa'yo. Ayun, okay na.
Gobi.
Seal the exits! You hold them here!
Kaya nga eh, yung isa kasi pinapatay eh.
Hindi ko talaga yung sinasadya.
Beta.
This is way too long!
Hindi ko talaga yung ano yun. Hindi lumushoot eh.
Beta guys. Check mo na mouse check.
Wait lang. Lagyan mo na tapos muna. Ilagay mo kasi.
Putang inang yan. Rel, galingan mo, Rel! Nice one. Kaya nga eh. Rel, galingan mo ah. Ikaw ang pag-asa namin. Ikaw ang pag-asa ng bayan.
What the fuck are we going to do?
Siyempre, harami karakter puta. Ano yun?
Flares? Where were the bullets?
Right them. We can hold them off.
Ikaw pa rin yan, Rel ah.
Ito yung hangin.
Utang ina gago. Oh, pindutin mo rin. Galing mo. Yun, nice one. Oh, ako na. Wait lang, ako na. Mouse check. Gago, patay na si Piccolo. Namatay si Piccolo. Yeah. Ako naman. Oh, wait lang. Mouse check. Ayan, okay na. Putang na dami, hayop.
Interesting knowing you. Di ba pinapas niya?
Oh, nangyari. Ulit, gago, mouse check. Baka may napinag eh.
Okay lang, may recording naman sa tabi.
Ikaw, Rel. Ikaw na, Rel. Mouse check mo muna, mouse check. Putang ina ako. Uy, gago, naglalag. Wait, naglalag. Naglalag. Ayan, okay na. Okay na. Ay, mali! Bobo, mali! Hindi, magaling yan. Puta, ina yan. Ulit. Mamausik ko na yung mamausik yan, gago. Ito na yung pinakamahabang 5 minutes sa buong buhay ko. Yan. Nice. Oh, may pruwebang may halimaw dyan. Ang gagawin, nunuk na lang nila yan. Nuclear bomb nila.
Babawi yung Iraq. Nagkalat nila yung pinumpa.
Bomba, i-nuclear yung Iraq. Oo.
Grabe yun, ha.
Kasi helicopter.
Wala rin nata si Pitch.
Helicopter.
Player rin siya.
Kaya tulog na rin si Pitch.
Lagi din natutulog yan.
Hindi ba natutulog?
This is Mailman 2 in actual.
Tapang
We
naman
have
yung
eyes on and are clear for even. Oh. Clear.
Bakit di kinapit yung
Gago, di ba nila nakikita yung halimaw? Di wala man lang reaction.
Yan, nag-amoy yun. Ay, hindi.
Hindi yun, oh.
Gagad. Madilim yung ano nila nga.
We've got 3 survivors. One of them's a PW. Returning to base.
Prisoner war dapat yun. POW dapat. Kaya nga, PW lang. Prisoner war. Hype na yan. Prisoner of war dapat yun eh.
Stability.
PWD yan po. Person with disability ka. Gago.
Bibigyan na lang ng discount.
Gagi. Gago. Inang yan. Apat sana yan eh, hanip na yan. Naging ano tuloy, naging 3.
Ayun, iniling mo naman yun eh. Marami kang karakter eh.
Oo,
Sarap na
ginawa-
kain ni
ginawa
Hideo.
na, diba?
So, bawas naman.
Ilan yung karakter? Ay, gago, 5. Sayang, hindi natin na-save yung 2.
Freely they stood who
Sige,
stood
palima.
and fell
5 sila lahat na karakter.
Hindi talaga yung mabuhay. Yung
You
babae.
guided some of your charges to the light,
Pati yung
while others
lahat sila pwede mabuhay.
followed the dark.
Kung hindi inano ni Pitch yun, kung hindi niya
Survival often comes at a great
pinasabog
cost, because that others
Tama nga,
sometimes
no?
must pay.
Ayos oh. Yung mga pa ganun pala.
I look forward to our next encounter.
Optional yung
Perhaps
ano,
I'll
yung item
choose a
mo,
story that's a little
Ayun,
more
parang ano,
hopeful.
makatotohanan.
Next time, somewhere you'll be
Parang
guaranteed
lagi
of
mo
a decent
Ano yung
night's
ano? Ano yung special feature?
sleep. Rest assured.
Ayan na.
Wala.
Wherever it is, you'll find it extremely hard to leave
Medyo na-witness mo ba yung
until the
back
next
na
time.
big sequence?
You know the way out.
Kakabalik lang eh.
Hindi mo na-witness. Okay lang, may recording tayo.
Nakita ko. Sabi ko, wait lang kasi. Ayan na.
Okay, ganap. Post credit. Pwede.
You're late and you look like shit.
I just got off the red eye. What's your excuse?
Good flight?
Oh, shit movie, shit meal, no leg room.
Got me in the back?
By the toilets.
Nice.
Coffee
Ayun,
wasn't
isa
so bad
pa.
though.
Ulitin.
Good fucking muffins.
Putang inang
Did you
yan.
read the brief?
On the flight.
Kailangan patay
How's
na.
it going with the analysis team?
The ISG team took heavy losses, but it wasn't a complete disaster. We just had to scrape some of them off the floor.
Poor bastards. And the entities?
Like nothing we've seen before.
Tama. Eh,
Kojak Jason, First Lieutenant, Marine Force Recon.
The best of the best, huh?
Or so they advertised.
Fuck! Now how many times do I have to keep telling you the same damn story?
I understand. However, CENTCOM needs to iron out any irregularities.
Such as? The whole fucking thing was irregular.
Such as why you allied with an enemy combatant?
You weren't fucking there! Those things were ripping us to shreds. I don't give a damn who it was. We needed all the help we could get. I stepped back into that hell to save Celine. And that man was worth 5 of you people. Semper fucking Fi!
And Sergeant K?
Nikki didn't make it.
Oh no.
So they cooperated with an Iraqi soldier down there?
Republican Guard, if
Parang
you can
ano,
believe
tama
it. Must have made a hell of an impression for Kojak to go back for him.
I'm dying to meet this guy.
I am not answering any more questions until I see my son.
That's not how we do things around here.
You don't have a clue. Jason came back for me. What does that tell you? Down there, this damn war of yours was over.
I'd like to talk more about the entities.
The vampires.
Oh, wala na si Pete.
I'm finding it very hard to believe that you killed those things with that.
Hindi
Untie
nagsasalita.
me, and I'll show you how I did it.
Wala na
The
nagsasalita.
analysis team are
Yeah,
suffering
nga eh.
specimens from the site. It's carnage down there.
Rachel yan.
They used dynamite?
We don't know how they got their hands on it.
Sino to? Ay, si Jason? Ay, gago.
Sinik.
Ay, si Nick, gagi. Man yan.
Money could have been valuable.
But same, almost.
Paano yata mo? Magiging halimaw yan sa
This is like
dulo.
Winterfold all over again.
Uh-huh. Ah, and here we have
Grabe,
Colonel Akin,
napakalamig.
our in-house genius.
18 na
Definitely
rito,
got more than
putang
you
inang yan.
bargained for.
Everything you know about biology just went up in smoke.
Kaso nakahubad ka.
These things, they're
Nakahubad ka
advanced.
kasi.
They're stronger than
Gago,
us, more
di ako
intelligent than
nakahubad.
us. If you want to get ahead of this, you need to start taking me seriously.
None of us doubt the severity of the situation, Colonel.
Hindi, malawig talaga rito. Bukid kasi sa amin. Eh. Hayop na yan.
Most of your team didn't make it back alive.
And I'll
Madali
have to
lang
live
naman
with
yun
that.
ah. Kung gagayahin mo lang
Let's
ang
move
nalan.
on to Kalis.
Oo.
Yan, nag-start yung Raccoon City.
Ayan si ano. Ayan si...
Dear God.
There's barely anything left to identify.
You read her profile.
Yeah. She could have gone far. If this hadn't happened. We still on for next Sunday?
Janet's making hot pot. You bet your ass we're on.
Haba naman nun.
I'll never get
Dami
used to
mong
this job.
Why would you want to?
Uy, sobrang
At least
haba.
this one was localized.
Small blessings.
So, what do you make of it all?
Doesn't matter what I think. Only thing that matters is controlling the flow of information.
Uy, Rel, ipakita mo sa kanila yung video Yung kita yung lalaki sa likod.
Night screenshot.
Wala si Carlos. Hindi ko mabalik doon.
Parang yung nakita ko dun yung parang ano, diba? Yung parang nakapap din siya, diba? Na all
Post.
black. No?
Ito yung next.
You want to know what it means to be a killer? Think of the most profound thing you've ever done.
Hindi talaga nila binombo yun.
The most beautiful thing you've ever created.
Iba na yan, iba na yan.
And I promise you, it's nothing compared to watching the life bleed out of someone. To see the fear in their eyes. To feel them pawing at you for release. To hear them pleading, begging. That's true art.
Ano yan?
That's
Bagong
what you
ano?
have to be, an artist. I've left my mark on the world. Have you?
The Dark Pictures. Bandai Namco. The Devil in Me.
Ano, horror din yun?
Oo. Yung series nila. Madami nga yun. Yan yung finale, Devil in Me. Pero Man of Medan yung pinakauna gusto kong palaro.
Devil in Me. Ano yan? Kwento ng ano, hindi makatayo. Devil in Me eh.
Ano yan na yung akin. Gagi na yan, binabasa ko yung akin eh.
Ganun pa rin, nagbago. Yung huling nakita natin.
Tapos na. Natapos yung kademonyo.
Screenshot mo screenshot mo.
Pwede mo na i-delete.
Pwede ko na.
Screenshot mo, Rela.
Sige.
Kasi no? Parang ano, parang movie.
Ano yan?
Mga
Ano yan? Ba't naglalagay ka? Ba't nagawa ka ng cup? Ha?